What's up, Kurlz crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you're new here, I am Kurlz. Welcome. Well, today I am going to be showing you guys some hairstyles that I use when I am in my curly to straight phase. I'm kind of in the end of my phase, so I won't be adding too much heat to my hair. So I'm going to start styling these, and I'm going to share with you guys some of the styles that I use, and hopefully they will be helpful for you guys if you're in this phase. I know for summer, I'm going to go straight back to full on curl. So I'm loving my straight hair though, so I'm gonna hold on to it a little bit longer. So if you're like me and you'd like to see that, please stay tuned.
Little Karen with a passing curl, a curly afro when I cut my hair. Medicine when I cut of a lighter. Oh man, what a disaster. 23 when I cut it all off, 24 when I cut on natural.
Okay guys, I am very excited to get this video out to you guys. We have 21 straight hairstyles for your natural hair, and because there are 21 hairstyles here, you can pretty much see exactly what I'm doing when I do each hairstyle. And I do let you know when each hairstyle is coming because I put a little title at the top of each one. But I am not going to talk through this entire video. Like I said, you can pretty much see exactly what I'm doing. So I hope you guys enjoy. And let me know if you guys try any of these styles down in the comments. I would really love to hear from every single one of you. Yes. So guys, just watch this video, and I will catch you on the next one. So go ahead, grab a snack, sit back and relax, and just enjoy watching these hairstyles. Okay. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay guys, so what do you think? Did you guys like those hairstyles? I know, I can't hear you. But anyway, let me know what you think down in the comments, and whether you liked it or disliked it, it's okay. I'm still here for you.